Hey there! I've got a super simple method to share with you today on how to make some quick cash online. We're talking $5 every 60 seconds, my friend. It's seriously one of the easiest way to make money online from the comfort of your couch. So, let's get right into it. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Alright, let's talk about this money-making method. All you gotta do is type some words while sipping your favorite coffee, and you can make up to $300 per hour. Sounds good, right? Now, it's important to do it right, but don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step. First stop, we've got typingtest.com. This place is great for earning money just by typing. Take a quick 60-second typing test and you're on your way. Head over to typing tests on the site and pick the test duration anywhere from 1 to 10 minutes. You can choose between text sentences or words for accurate evaluation. My recommendation? Go for the 1-minute test with medium text options. And guess what? You can even take that test on your smartphone. Once you hit start, the timer kicks in and your typing speed gets measured. Now, if you want to improve your typing speed, which can mean more money in your pocket, check out the typing courses on their homepage. They offer free training to help you level up. This is crucial because I'm gonna share some websites where you can make money just by typing, and the faster you type, the more you'll earn. In this video, we're kicking things off with Rev.com. Rev.com is a legit website trusted by over 170,000 people worldwide. They offer different services with corresponding rates. Transcription and captions will get you $1.25 per minute, while foreign subtitles range from $3 to $7 per minute. This is a sweet opportunity for folks who can translate videos from English to their native language or vice versa. And according to the website, the average earning potential is $5 per minute, which adds up to a cool $300 per hour. Cha-ching! Now, if you're new to this and don't speak another language, don't worry. You can still make some cash by doing video transcription. Rev.com gives freelancers the freedom to choose from hundreds of jobs and offer weekly payments. They're reliable and won't keep you waiting for your hard-earned cash. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. Next up, we've got transcribe.me.com. It's another awesome platform where you can join for free. Check out their homepage for different career opportunities like transcription and translation. Transcription pays pretty well here, starting at $15 to $22 per audio hour with a potential monthly earning of $2,200. It's a bit less than Rev.com, but hey, joining both platforms means more moolah coming your way. To join transcribe.me.com, just hit that Get Started button and follow the registration process. They offer flexible work hours and schedules so you can work at your own pace. They provide short audio clips, around 2 to 4 minutes, so it's totally manageable. When registering, make sure to use your real email address for account activation and provide your PayPal account details for payment. Oh, and sometimes they might ask you about your typing speed, so it's worth taking a typing test on typingtest.com and sharing your results with them via email. Now, if you want to earn even more money, keep an eye out for my other video on how to get free PayPal money just by opening emails. Trust me, it's a game changer for boosting up your online earnings. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video!